Hello guys, let's take a look at a green coconut firecracker. That's how it will explode, and that's the packaging, and that's the actual firecracker. Again, it has a small fuse which slowly burns, giving you enough time to go away. It's about a foot tall, the firecracker, and this is how it explodes. Pretty spot on, right? I know the video is not that good, it's quite shaky and blurred, but it's really hard to shoot this by staying under the firecracker, and this is the slow-mo for you. This one does what it shows on the packaging. Costs around 400 rupees or around $8. Let me do a few more. Nice one. Check it out.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe to get more videos every day.